up, cousins? This is
And Lalo.
And Diane.
and today we're gonna be doing
Slime. But I know you guys are like.
This is an experiment we did.
It's an experiment. We tried and it worked out really good. And I don't know if you guys know, but when you use borax in water, to make slime, it kind of makes it hard.
Yes.
But I found out a way to make slime and for it not to come out hard. So we're gonna make it. So first, I'm just gonna you guys can see how much I'm recording.
literally like
Hold on.
Okay, I'm gonna stand now. I'm gonna stand.
Take my feet out first.
I'm stuck.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, now we're gonna add like half a bottle of this
Elmer's.
4-ounce Elmer's glue.
I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna mix
Not yet.
it. Okay, dokie.
You're gonna
There you go.
No, I don't want to do this. That's
You can't see for that.
I need to. Okay.
the Lalo in the corner.
And then I'll do it.
Sorry guys.
It's gonna become messy. It's gonna go everywhere. Sometimes it does.
I hope you guys have a good Christmas.
Yeah, because this is
We'll show
probably
you.
gonna be the last video before Christmas.
We might do a Christmas haul.
It might be on
Oh yeah, Liz
the
might
next
do.
day maybe.
Liz might do a Christmas haul. So
I don't know about Lalo, but okay.
We'll do a.
we'll all do Christmas hauls, but the next day. We're not gonna show it Christmas Day.
I know.
Well, yeah, we're gonna record it Christmas Day, but
This is gonna.
whenever it comes up, it comes up.
It probably come up like 2
3
days.
days. 3 days after, huh?
Maybe.
Or 2 days.
After Christmas. Please stay tuned for that.
Yes.
More runny.
La da 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 da.
Oh, that's a lot. It's not activator, guys, by the way.
It's just water.
Just water, so you guys don't add activator to your glue yet.
For real?
Show.
Where we
No,
have
no. That one.
we have wet skin moisturizer. There's one
It's like an oil. It's like a lotion that you put on wet skin.
Tell me how much.
There. Show them on the camera what it is.
So-
They can like kind of screenshot it or something. Right there, let it go.
Screenshot it. Ding.
And you guys can go there.
And this you can find like anywhere.
Lotion, just
I'm
like
gonna add that to it too.
But if you want that
And you
specific-
can find hair gel really anywhere.
Right? You're gonna add that too or just that?
We're gonna. Where's the bar actually?
It's right here. And
Oh.
then,
What does he have on his leg? Hey! I left my candy cane there now. Sorry, Lalo.
he's eating it.
Nothing! We just done.
He's behind the camera.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pucks of lotion. And then mix it. And you guys can add shaving cream to it, but I prefer it not to have shaving cream. I already tried this. I haven't seen this on YouTube or anywhere that people made this like
We'll
this.
show you how it's done like this, and then adding the cherry cream on it.
Let's scoop a little bit of. Show them what kind of.
This is the kind of hair gel screenshot it. You want it?
That doesn't matter what kind, but
Just see if you guys want to know. Oh, that's a lot, but whatever. There. And it's all all the hair gel is not going to dissolve, so you're going to just want to mix it as much as you can and dissolve it as much as you can. So we'll be back when it's all mixed in. Okay, it all dissolved and it's all ready. It's supposed to look like glue, but it's supposed to be more runny than
Then
usually is, and all the gel is not supposed to dissolve. Lalo went back home to the North Pole, so I'm kidding. He just had to go, but we're gonna finish this video by ourselves. So now activator, and this needs a lot of scoops. One scoop at a time. One scoop. Okay, there. Just one scoop first, because you don't know how it's gonna come out with one scoop.
okay, that's how I'm gonna
3 scoops. That's 3 scoops. Just another scoop. 4 scoops.
Ready?
Go.
5 scoops.
It's coming together. Okay guys, we put 15 scoops of borax in this. And it's like ready, but it's not. It's unsticking from the bowl, but it's not ready.
I mean, it's very jiggly.
It's jiggly. So, but what I'm gonna do,
I'm just gonna put it on our table.
as you guys can see, you guys are probably like, oh, you can't even play with that. Look. Yeah, that's why at 15 scoops, you want to take it out and kind of mess with it for a little, like this though. Don't grab it and push it around. So
Don't go on.
it's gonna be a big mess, and you guys are because it's not ready. Okay. At around 15 scoops, you want to stop. Okay.
I'm
One.
behind the camera.
Right here. Okay. Now I'm gonna grab one more. 17 scoops. No. 17 scoops. This one. See, it's getting a little bit better.
It's like butter slime.
It's a slime that
You can't really.
rips a little bit.
Scoopy, scoopy.
This is almost Instagram slime. We're at 19 scoops now. We're at 19 scoops. Hold on. I'm checking. Every scoop of wax you put in, you want to check it.
Right there.
Wait. And I know that I'm doing this with it. And like, but even though it has no fluffies. You guys, if you want to add in shaving cream, add it in after. Hi guys, we're back. We made more, and this is what a whole bottle of glue looks like. I know this is a small little bottle, and it does make a lot of slime. But it's not the glue that makes a lot of slime, the water. That's why it's good to add water, because it makes it really, look how much slime you just made with one small. And by the way, I want to give you guys a tip. Liz bought this at the dollar store for $1. She went to the dollar store and she got it for she got it for $1.
There was so much. I almost.
She said there was a lot. So, and usually at like Target, they're like
$2.
$2 sometimes, the small ones. But at Target, I don't know. Sometimes they're 56 cents. If you get lucky, you find them there for 56 cents, which is even better. So, yeah, but hope you guys liked our video. And remember, you guys can add food coloring to yours, it'll be like ours. Wait. Hold it one side.
Sometimes it does.
Whoa.
Ah!
The big one, don't do this with it, because look what's gonna happen. It's gonna get all over your hands and everything.
Just like I did in the beginning.
Yeah, she did that at the beginning. But yeah, that was our video, guys.
High five, slime! Wait, I'm gonna get my final high five.
1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah. Wait.
I'm gonna try to pick the big one. Wait.
Rest in peace, Bubble.
Now, if you guys don't want to watch us keep playing with it, you guys can leave the video now. But we like playing with it on camera. It's funny. Stuff happened like that. It just popped. You're gonna turn it into a thumbnail.
Well, I
But for those of you guys that are leaving now because you guys don't want to watch us play with it, bye, see you soon. But you're still our cousins. Just some people don't like watching other people play with slime.
wait.
So,
Go back a month.
see you later, cousins. Those early cousins leaving. So. So So, see you guys. Okay, guys. If you want to learn how to make this slime.
Yeah, this.
Yes.
This.
Okay, no.
It's full for you
Hey.
for this. Sorry.
Hey, guys.
Hey, I do it.
I really do. Hey guys, it's Lalo. For predictive video today, we made slime. Sticky and slimy too. Happy holidays. And follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And subscribe to our channel to become my cousin. I'll see you next time, my cousin. Still random. Bye.